Hello everyone and welcome back to WP Food Manager. In today's video we are going to discuss together how you can assign a table to your restaurant from the back end and from the front end of your website. So guys, if you are interested, let's get started. So guys, as I mentioned, I'm going to do it from the back end and from the front end of my website. So firstly, I will go to the back end. Let's go to the back end. Okay. I'm already on there, and after going to backend, I'm going to restaurant manager, all restaurants section, and here are my restaurants. I'm just going to edit one of my restaurants and to assign a table. So I will go with this one, MasterChef, for example. Let's go down here, and here we have table name. So you can select a table layout here, and based on selected fields, you will select the table layout for your restaurant. So I will go with the casual one, and let's just here click on update. Okay, now let's preview the changes to see what we have here, what changes we have here. Okay, let's click on this button, preview changes. Okay, and at the bottom we can find a form. This is the table reservation form. So this is how you can do it from the back end of your website. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it from the front end of your website. So for that, let's go up here. Okay, and here we have restaurant dashboard. Here are our restaurants, and again I'm going to edit one of my restaurants. Okay, now let's go with the second one, MasterChef, and at the bottom we again have the table name section. So here I will go with the dinner one. Let's select it. Okay, let's click on save changes. Okay, and let's click on view to see what we have here. Okay, and here again you can see that we have the form. So basically guys, this is how you can do it. It's so simple, and I think you can do it as well. So guys, this was it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions concerning to the video, please let us know about them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. See you soon!